When I decided to pursue my M.Sc in economics, I didn't have a question in my mind because I knew that Symbiosis was the right place for me. The value and integrity that a degree from Symbiosis adds to your CV is exactly what I needed to take my career to the next level. If you share the same drive for success as me, then this video is an absolute must-watch. Hi, I am Amrita Bhattacharya, a student at Symbiosis School of Economics. SEC is a great place to get an education that prepares you for the global job market. Our courses are benchmarked with leading international universities, and the students are encouraged to apply to summer and winter schools all across the world. If you want to make a mark of your own and have a wide exposure, this is the place for you. SEC always focuses on making the students industry ready. Besides the internships and the mandatory training programs embedded into the curriculum, we also attend workshops on in-demand tools like Python programming, NSE training, and business etiquette. We know that academics and college can be bogged down if there is no extracurricular activities. That's why, to facilitate this, SEC brings to you a number of clubs to help you pursue your passion and also hone your talent. We have a club for everything you want to do, be it dancing, be it financial knowledge or peer-to-peer learning. There is a club that we have for you to participate and help you hone your skills. We hope to see you soon on our campus.